Engineers at the University of California, Riverside have demonstrated prototype devices made of an exotic material that can conduct a current density 50 times greater than conventional copper interconnect technology. Current density is the amount of electrical current per cross-sectional area at a given point. As transistors in integrated circuits become smaller and smaller, they need higher and higher current densities to perform at the desired level. Most conventional electrical conductors, such as copper, tend to break due to overheating or other factors at high current densities, presenting a barrier to creating increasingly small components. The electronics industry needs alternatives to silicon and copper that can sustain extremely high current densities at sizes of just a few nanometers. The advent of graphene resulted in a massive worldwide effort directed at investigation of other two-dimensional or 2D layered materials that would meet the need for nanoscale electronic components that can sustain a high current density. While 2D materials consist of a single layer of atoms, 1D materials consist of individual chains of atoms weakly bound to one another, but their potential for electronics has not been as widely studied. One can think of 2D materials as thin slices of bread, while 1D materials are like spaghetti. Compared to 1D materials, 2D materials seem huge. The researchers discovered that zirconium tritelluride nanoribbons have an exceptionally high current density that far exceeds that of any conventional metals like copper. The new strategy undertaken by the UC Riverside team pushes research from two-dimensional to one-dimensional materials, an important advance for the future generation of electronics. Electronic devices depend on special wiring to carry information between different parts of a circuit or system. As developers miniaturize devices, their internal parts also must become smaller, and the interconnects that carry information between parts must become smallest of all. Depending on how they are configured, the zirconium tritelluride nanoribbons could be made into either nanometer scale local interconnects or device channels for components of the tiniest devices.